this episode, I'm just going to straighten out. I'm going to fix these radiators up before I put them on the bike. So I'm going to pull this guy off. I already have the other side off. It's been off the bike. So I just got a few bolts, pull the hoses, and then I can fix the radiator. So yeah, I'll get that time lapse going right now. You can tell this guy pretty beat up. This one's alright, but these are probably mainly from like dirt chunks, rocks hitting these. It kind of stops the airflow through the radiator, so basically it's gonna be a very tedious process. But basically grab a screwdriver and just straighten out every single one of these fins. Definitely straighten out the fins on your radiator. That was very mind-numbing, but looks a lot better. Hopefully get some more air going through it. But yeah, now I'm gonna crank out that side, and then I got the other one to do, which is pretty annoying, but yeah. So I'm gonna hammer those out real quick. So I got these all straightened out, all the fins. I got them as best as I possibly could. There's a couple of them that were unsavable, like that one right there. But definitely looks a lot better, and I'll have a lot better airflow. So now I'm just gonna toss them on the bike real quick. I think this one is actually dented. It's actually kind of crooked. But I think should still work. So I think I put the wrong one on. I realized it was bent, and I do have an extra one. Don't mind the mess over here, but yeah, this one that I'm assuming was the correct one. But I'm just gonna leave it unless it leaks, and obviously I'm gonna change it. But another downside is I just realized this right when I was tightening everything up. I might have to take this off, take the other this radiator off, to redo the wiring. I think it will make everything a lot easier if I do that. Yeah, which sucks. I just gotta figure out where all these random wires go to and whatnot. But yeah, glad I got the radiator on. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button and that like button. I'll see you guys next episode. Peace.